Noi Rete Donne is an informal Italian women network that for over 15 years has been committed to the issues of egalitarian democracy with the aim of an egalitarian women participation in the decision-making institutions and in the public and private processes in all sectors. For this reason, Noi Rete Donne expresses its solidarity and fully support the declaration of the Syrian women, victims of decades of violence, rape, and killings by the dictatorial regime of Bashar al-Assad, by ISIS and Islamic extremists. Noi Rete Donne denounces, nevertheless, the continuation of crimes, killings, kidnapping, and violence against women and religious minorities. Noi Rete Donne supports the objectives of the Syrian Women Council, which with determination aims at building a free and future for all the Syrian people. Syrian women demand that the willing of women be recognized, that equal and fair representation of women must be guarded in all decision-making processes and in the new Constitutional Committee. It calls, among other things, for the establishment of a Truth and Justice